Hello there, my crafty friends. It is Candy here from sweetstamper.com. Let me get this so you can see it. So I am coming to you to share with you my Lily of the Valley stamp camp. I've been working on this for a while and I'm so glad to share it with you. I am centering this around the bundle. This is not included, but you can add it on. And this is a stamp camp by mail. It has a lot of projects and I'm going to show you what you get with it. So we're going to start with the products that you get. And this Lily of the Valley paper is to die for. This is very much, in my opinion, the star of the show. And so this is all 12 designs. You're going to get a full pack of this paper, okay? Now, we're also including this sticker sheet. Now, mine is pretty sparse. I used all of these stickers on the projects. Now, you're going to have some left over if you use them exactly the way I've designed the projects. So you get the sticker sheet with the full pack of paper. You also get a full pack of this Luxe White. Again, I've been using this. There are 3 designs. This one has the Lily of the Valley. This one has a branch, and this one has just a little checkerboard pattern. You get 2 each of 12 by 12 sheets, and you're going to get this lovely berry burst ribbon, and you're going to get these sunset sequins, and you're going to be using these on your projects. So let me show you the projects that we're going to be making, and I'll show you also the ink that you will be using, again, if you make the projects as I've designed them. Now, my class or stamp camp, I should say, does include first class shipping. These cards, I don't have the envelopes, but they will come prepped and ready in individual Stampin' Up! Envelopes ready to mail, so that once you complete these, you will go ahead and be ready to mail them. So we have some rather subtle cards to a little bit more va-va-voom, and then we just kind of keep stepping up. I think every one of these would be considered stepped up cards. And 3 of these are fun folds. So I'm going to give you lots of ways to use your designer paper, lots of ways to create fun folds and really enjoy your card making. So this is 1, 2, 3 fun folds plus 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. So that's the first 7 projects. You're also going to have everything prepped and ready for you to make this 12 by 12, this 8 by 8 framed piece. Now, the frame is not included, so this is an insert for a framed piece. And I think it's a lot of fun. And you might notice we're using the white Luxe, or Luxe White, I should say, as the background, which gives it a beautiful sheen. So that is project number 8. And then projects 9 and 10 are both brag books. Now, let me show you the first one. And this is perfect for including little photos. So these fold out like so. And so you have lots of space to make this into a little mini photo album. This will actually go into an envelope and probably just put like an extra ounce stamp on it, depending on how many photos you put in. I'm giving everything you need to make a second album. Now, this one is actually for my faith girls. I do like to include some faith elements in some of my classes. This is purely optional. You're going to have everything you need to make this second album, but I'm going to show you the way that I have done it, and you'll have the print work and everything for it. So if you're not familiar, Lily of the Valley is a beautiful old hymn. It was one of the first things I thought of when I saw this suite. And because this is the scripture that it comes from Song of Solomon. I am the rose of Sharon and the lily of the valleys. Well, in the late 1800s, there's a beautiful hymn that was penned with Lily of the Valley, speaking of their relationship with Jesus Christ. So I have taken that hymn and I have printed it out, all of the lyrics, and I'm calling this a meditation booklet. Again, you can do what you want with this. I'm going to give you all of the cut pieces for it, and I'm going to give you the print work for this. And it's actually a beautiful, beautiful old hymn. And it starts with the first verse. I have found a friend in Jesus. He's everything to me. He's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul, the lily of the valley, and in him alone I see all I need to cleanse and make me fully whole. And it goes on. This is a lovely, lovely gift, or make something for yourself. Now I'm going to give you the print work. This particular piece, I'm going to print and die cut for you. So this is 10 projects in my stamp camp, Lily of the Valley Stamp Camp. And it is $79, includes everything I've shown you, and plus your postage. Now, I tend to not use a ton of different inks when I'm working on things like this, because I can't work with 10 ink pads out. My brain just doesn't go there. So you're going to need a Blackberry Bliss and Garden Green ink pad if you're going to do these just as I have designed them. Honest to goodness, these are basic colors that you will want to have in your stash anyway, really kind of basic supplies. And then I have 3 sets of blends. You can add these on, or you can use something that you have on hand. But I hope that you will consider taking my Lily of the Valley Stamp Camp by mail. There will also be a sweet little gift that I'm including for everybody. Just something for you, because I know that as a crafter, you're probably making a lot of these projects and you're going to be giving them away. So I wanted you to have a little something as a memory of this stamp camp that you'll keep for yourself. So that is it for today. Thank you very much for your consideration. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care and God bless.